In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a BeReal post. So in order to do that, we're first going to have to open our BeReal app, and then right here on the My Friends tab, you might be on Discovery, but you'll have to click on the My Friends tab right here. And then you can click on the three dots right here if you have already posted a BeReal for today. And then right here, you can see the option Delete My BeReal. So tap on that. And then you can choose a reason right here. So let me just click on Other and then click on Delete My BeReal. And keep in mind, the deletion is final and you won't be able to get it back. Also, you can only delete your BeReal once per day. So the next one you post, you won't be able to delete. And so if you actually want to delete your BeReal from your memory, then you'll have to click in the top right corner on your account. And then right here, you'll have to click on View All My Memories. And then you click on the day that your BeReal was on. And then right here, you just click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click on Delete from Memories. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again next time. Bye.